Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you a really quick way to separate music from dialogue. Okay, you're going to need descript. There are varying levels of subscription, but the free one does enable you to do this. There is a link in the description, so that will take you to the descript website, so you're going to need to download that. So what I've done here is I've imported the ending scene from Blade Runner. Okay, now it is an MP4. It will do it with MP3s or WAV files, AIFF files as well. So here it is, it's imported. I've detached the audio as well from the video. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to double click on the audio file. Okay, and it takes me into this studio mode. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to find a scene where there's some dialogue.
Fire off the shoulder of Orion.
Pretty famous scene.
I watched C-beams glitter in the dark near the 10-house gate.
There we go. So what I'm going to do is it's really quick. So you see it says studio sound on the right here. Turn that on. It will render. It will take a bit of time to render. Now if I play it back.
I watched C-beams glitter in the dark near the 10-house gate.
Okay, and you can lower the intensity if it cuts out too much. So let's bring that down a bit. Let's put it at... Let's try that.
Attack ships on fire off the shoulder of Orion.
And there we go. That is a really quick way to separate dialogue from music. Okay. If you like this video and you want to learn more about music and music production, please do subscribe and look out for more videos.